this video, I will compare Stripe and Wise to help you decide which is the best for online payments and international money transfers. So I've been using both of them for the last 4 years, so I think I will be able to give you some good advice on which one is best. So I will divide this video into certain sections to add the most value to you. So please stick until the end of the video to consume all the information. So let's dive into the video right now. So we're going to start off with a platform overview. After we're going to look at pricing and fees, ease of use, the best for, and we're going to give a final verdict. So let's start with a platform overview, starting with Wise. So Wise is a financial platform specializing in low-cost international transfers and multi-currency accounts. Stripe, on the other hand, is a payment processor designed for businesses to accept online payments with extensive API support. And what about the pricing and the fees? Well, Stripe charges 2.9% plus $30 per transaction for card payments with extra fees for international transactions. Wise uses a transparent fee structure with mid-market exchange rates, making it cost-effective for cross-border payments. And I like Wise really much for international transfers because the fees are often lower compared to other platforms. So if you want to get started with Wise, go ahead and check the link in the description to get some nice starting benefits and some nice gifts in the beginning. So let's move on to the ease of use. Wise is simple and user-friendly in my experience and is allowing individuals and businesses to send and receive money globally with ease. Stripe requires technical setup but offers highly customizable payment solutions. So I would say that Stripe is best for e-commerce stores, subscription businesses and companies needing robust payment processing. And I would say that Wise is ideal for freelancers, remote workers and businesses handling international payments with minimal fees. So I would say choose Stripe for advanced online payment processing and choose Wise for affordable international transfers. And which one do you prefer, Wise or Stripe? Anyway, let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.